Welcome to my channel. So for today's video I want to show you what did I get this month for the Alere beauty box. So let's start. So the first product I got is this cleansing bar. So it says, let me see, deeply cleans, exfoliate and balance skin. So I'm gonna try it and I will tell you how it feels. So I think I'm going to keep using this bar because the skin feels like soft. I like it. So I'm happy with the first product. My next item is this face mask, and it says it makes the skin look brighter and clear and shining and smoother. So let's see, I'm going to try it right now. I wash my face again and I feel, yeah, I can tell. My skin feels much softer, so pretty nice. Next product is this. It's an activated serum, and it says this serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine and firm for a healthy glow. So let's see. This one, the size of this one is more like a sample, and the regular price is like $84. The next sample is this gel cream moisturizer for hydration sensitive, and it helps to calm the appearance of redness and make the skin to look healthy. So let's try. I like these kind of boxes because you pay for this one you pay $15, but I think it's going to change next month. So but the good part about this is they pick products for you and they send them to you to try them, and if you like them you can keep using it and buying it. And I think it's good because sometimes they have like so many brands that you don't even know, that's why you don't try them. And these boxes give you like the choice to know those brands and then decide if you wanna buy it or not. So that's why for me it's like pretty nice when you have these monthly boxes. So next I have this full size item, which is a rose oil blend, and this one it says when you use it, the result is a healthy looking luminous skin, and you can apply it with your moisturize. But because I applied the moisturize, I'm just going to use it on its own, and it comes like this. After applying it, the skin feels very nice. I love it. So the next product is this primer. It's from Wish, and I want to try it because it promises you to give you, to minimize pores and even skin tone, but it also leaves skin feeling moisturized and dewy looking. So let's see, because if this primer do that, it's going to be my favorite one. So I think the texture is more like lighter comparing with other primers. To me, it's like it feels like lighter in your skin, and it's true. It makes your skin feels like soft. I'm going to do my makeup and I'll be back with the next product. And the last but not least product to try is this highlighter. So let's see how it goes. And this is how it looks like. I'm going to try it. So when I touch, it's like creamy. So let's see. I think it's beautiful. What do you think? Because I don't like this part. A little bit of my nose. And this is how it looks like. So that was everything for today. I hope you all like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye.